Okay, stand up please. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Thank you. How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fit. Thank you. Okay, now let's watch the video. Video about today's topic. Listen and see very carefully.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady bigger. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife, we would be lonely. Once I was 11 years old.
Okay, do you guess today's topic? Family. Can you see some words? Yes. Thank you. Okay, now divide two groups. You guys one team. You guys one team. Right? And I give you piece of paper and you write good or bad things. Good and bad things of family. From the video. You guys saw some words, yeah, and write on the paper. Good and bad things. You can use these words. There are some new words. Good and bad things. Do you understand? Yeah. Okay, you have 4 minutes. You have 4 minutes.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady bigger. Once I
그걸 있을 줄 그걸 안 Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, please come in front of the class and put on the board. And who is your team's leader? Who? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Very good. Now, Oyunbo, please explain to your classmates.
Bad things yell at each other.
Loud.
Bad things yell at each other, argue back, complain. Good things be helpful, be thankful, clean up a mess, respect each other, fix situation, keep promises, ask permission, be honest.
Thank you.
Good things. Keep promises. Helpful, thankful, honest, ask, kind, respect, clean up mess. Bad
Good.
things. Complain, yell at each other, argue back, fix the situation.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Namandara. Very good. Yeah, do you want to tell anything at? Do you want to add anything? New words? No?
No.
Thank you. Very good. Okay, this one is, they are today's lesson rules, class rules. Please read.
Be creative.
Very good. Be creative. Work together, yeah? This one? Listen each other, right?
Be on time.
Be on time. Very good. Work.
Walk together.
Work together. Dash. Okay. Please read.
Respect.
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 Fix.
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 Yell.
Complain.
Complain.
Be thankful.
Be thankful.
Very good. They are today's new words. Very good. Thank you. Okay, now please try to use your hands and clap and try to read with your clap. Respect. How is it? Respect.
Respect.
Fix. Argue.
Argue.
Be honest.
Be honest.
Be helpful.
Be helpful.
Very good. Yell.
Yell.
Complain.
Complain.
Very good. Be thankful.
Be thankful.
Very good. Thank you. Very good, students. Please try themselves, yourself.
Respect.
Very good.
Peace. Argue.
Excellent.
Be honest. Be helpful.
Good job.
Yell. Complain.
Very good.
Be thankful.
Good job. Very good, students. Who wants to try? Who wants to try? Please raise your hand. Try.
Respect.
Respect.
Fix.
Peace.
Argue.
Argue.
Be honest.
Be honest.
Be helpful.
Be helpful.
Yell.
Yell.
Complain.
Complain.
Be thankful.
Be thankful.
Excellent, excellent. Very good. Next. Who is next? Zara Mohammed?
Respect. Respect. Fix. Please. Argue. Argue. Be honest. Be honest. Be helpful. Be helpful. Yell. Yell. Complain. Complain. Be thankful. Be thankful.
That's great. Very good. Next, last one. Who is last? Zara.
Respect.
Respect.
Fix.
Peace.
Argue.
Argue.
Be honest.
Be honest.
Be helpful.
Be helpful.
Complain.
Complain.
Be thankful.
Be thankful.
That's awesome. Very good. Don't forget that new words with clap. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Please write in your notebook. Please write new words in your notebook. Finish?
Yes.
Have you finished?
clean up mess.
Please stand up.
Clean up mess and wash dishes.
Very good. And first, next. Next one. Who's next? I'm on that. Yeah. Next. Who is next? What do you do in your home? Stay you eat away. Very good. Excellent. Thank you. Next. Who is next? Who is next? Antya, please. Please tell me just one sentence. I. Yes. Very good. My home. Thank you. Great. Good job. Okay, now here's write just one sentence. Use new words. When you be in your home. Гэвтээ тахта юу гэдгийг энгээр яах вэ? Ашиглаад бичих юм. Энгийн simple tense. Simple tense. Okay, finish. At least one sentence. Have you finished?
Yes.
Yeah. Who wants to read your sentence? Square? He's loud.
I feel helpful my family.
Thank you. I
Feel helpful.
help. I help. My family. Thank you. Next. Who is next? Who is next? Please. Please read one sentence.
I should respect each other like
Can you read again, please, loudly?
I should respect each other.
Very good. Thank you. Next. Who is next?
In my home, I wash dishes and clean up the mess.
Very good. Thank you. Next. Next.
I should thankful each other.
I should thankful each other. Yeah. Thank you. Very good. Okay, very excellent students. Thank you. Okay, now let's see the grammar. Let's see the grammar. Grammar. Today we are going to learn about supposed to. Supposed to. Please repeat after me. Supposed to.
Supposed to.
Supposed to.
Supposed to.
A-O. Supposed to.
Supposed to.
You. Supposed to.
Supposed to.
Okay. I'm supposed to clean our room at least once a week. Supposed to. Next, he's supposed to fix things when we break them. Next, please read together.
They
are
supposed to talk to us before making any decision.
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 Very good. Next one, please loud.
We are not supposed to go out after 8 p.m.
Thank you. Yeah, supposed to mean is, do you understand that mean?
Yes.
It means
Or
rule. Okay, it's same rule.
obligation.
Yeah. Grammar, it is very important to you. Supposed to is talking about obligation. You don't forget it. Obligation mean. Okay? Next one is supposed to is with be. Be. Be mean and is are. Do you understand? Yes. Thank you. That the sentences are positive sentences. Positive sentence. You know positive sentence mean? Positive. Positive sentence. Negative sentence. Question sentence. You understand?
Yes.
Very good. Next one. Okay. Please read.
I'm not supposed to cook dinner.
Very good. This one is what? Negative form of supposed to. Supposed to기 오비스를 일어나는 데모. 자, I'm not supposed to cook dinner. I'm not supposed to cook dinner. She's not supposed to yell. Yeah, this one. Negative form. Okay, now please write. You guys, please write. Use the words. Positive and negative sentences. Heidi and will. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Positive and negative sentences. Positive and negative sentences. to read your sentence. Sahalirudma, please read.
I'm supposed to.
Please loud, sorry, please loud.
I'm supposed to be kind.
I'm
Supposed to
be kind,
kind.
be
Be kind.
tidy. Very good, thank you. Please write your sentence on the chalkboard. Who is next? Nameheti? Please read.
We are supposed to tidy.
Uh-huh.
I'm not supposed to live in my home.
Very good. Thank you. Good job. Square.
I'm not supposed to eat at someone.
Mm-hmm.
And, I'm supposed to be kind to my friends.
Be tidy. Thank you. Next one. Who is next? Irumchin Tahta.
I am not supposed to yell each other creative sentence. I am supposed to tidy.
Supposed to?
I am supposed to tidy.
Very good. Thank you. Next. Who is next? Who is next, students? Naminder.
My family's members are supposed to tidy. My friends not supposed to yell.
Thank you. Very good. Who is next? Narcotic. Please read.
I am not supposed to yell at my
It's mine.
sister.
Very good. Thank you. Great. Excellent students. Okay. Please look at the chalkboard. I am. This one is B. Do you understand? B. B means M is B. Supposed to be tidy. Yeah. Supposed to plus what?
Work.
Verb. Verb. Very good. Verb. Thank you. Okay, now look at the answer these questions. Answer these questions. What are you supposed to do? What are you not supposed to do? Please answer that two questions very quickly. You have just 1 minute. 1 minute. In your family. Do you understand? What are you supposed to do in your family? What are you not supposed to do in your family? Гэхдээ одоо юу хийх үүрэгтэй вэ? Эсвэл юу хийх одоо ямар үүрэгтэй байх вэ гэж тийм үү?
are supposed to do our homework. I'm not supposed to do my housework.
Why?
Because I have to do my homework and get good grades.
Yeah, thank you. Next. Number 2.
I'm supposed to pick up from babysit and wash it. I'm not supposed to yell and argue.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Yeah, Mama. Now, please try to read. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Sorry. Now you have whiteboard, right? Whiteboard. I gave you already whiteboard. And now take golden bed. Take golden bed. You all have marker. Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. First question is: all sentences express A permission, B, an obligation. A or B? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Thank you for peace. Thank you for B. Obligation. Thank you. Next, second question is the structure of the expression A, B, for example, M is R, supposed to, B, supposed to, just supposed to, A or B. 1, 2, 3. A. Thank you for A's. Next one is we use for the positive sentence be supposed to, be not supposed to. A or B. 1, 2, 3. A. Thank you for A's. Number 4. We use for the negative sentence be supposed to or be not supposed to. A or B. Negative sentences. 1, 2, 3. Peace. Thank you for all peace. Very good. Okay. Now some students have this one. Please read. Please read your words very quickly.
My words is complain, thankful, station, each other, situation.
Let me repeat.
Helpful, argue, helpful.
Very good. Next.
Argue, honest, each other, complain, helpful, ask permission.
Very good. Thank you. Next. Good job. Yeah, very good. Respect. Please repeat after me. Respect.
Respect.
Very good.
Fix, thankful, respect.
Very good.
Yield, respect, honest.
Good job. Thank you very much. All have these words, right? All students have this. Yeah? Who didn't? So I'm very glad because you are to understand very well that lesson. Good job. Thank you for coming and participating in that lesson.
Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you. Good job.